What the hell? Boy, it's pretty. It's nice, man. I didn't want to come out here earlier. It was windy. I guess summer is getting ready to heat up, man. I'm always too busy just working. And I'm about half retired. I don't know why I'm working.
Yeah, I retired and I ain't working no more.
Yeah, I don't blame you, man.
Working no more. So you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay.
TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I put Poncho on the camera, but he don't like to be seen. He's like, oh no.
Oh, no.
He's afraid ice will come get him or something. What are you talking about? Come on now, you can't be like that.
What about what you just said?
Yeah. As long as it isn't your friend that would called you honey.
That's him.
That's him?
That's him.
Oh man.
I like it for mechanic repair fee.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, go check out this boat. I gotta go up to the truck, get some tools. And that's a beautiful day. Yeah, we're out here on P Dock. There's the bridge way over there. There's that confounded bridge. Anyway, and that'd be your Hurricane Creek right there. That's the boat ramp over there, and this is Four Corners Marina, and this is Hawkeye Marine. If you need any parts, hit me up at hawkeyemarine.net. I got about everything for a boat you can think of. And today what I'm doing out here is he's got a sink that I guess is right here, and they normally have a water pump or something that pumps stuff up, and it's not working. So I told him I'd look at it, and maybe we'll figure out why it's not doing what it's doing and give the guy a price and go from there. So that's what my project is for right now. All right, I'm out here on P Dock, way out here. Man, it's a long walk. I'm out of breath from walking. Anyway, got this little, it's almost like it's not really a deck boat. It's a go fun have boat. But we can get the cover off, and they got a freshwater tank in this thing, and the pump is out. So they asked me to come over and fix it. So we got a new pump. It's one of these Sureflow, and I got these guys on hawkeyemarine.net. But it's a Sureflow. This one happens to be Aqua King 2. 3 gallons per minute. Freshwater pump, 12 volt. There's the part number if you need it, 12 volt. So 4138-1111 E65. So it's pretty warm. They said it's gonna rain finally tomorrow. I hope so, because we need a little bit of rain. I don't know if you can see it, but there's an island out yonder, Bill. That's normally underwater. Or this time of year, at least it'll be about 6 inches of water. And then once they get to a summer pool, you can't go over it. Well, yeah, you can probably go over it, but we're pretty low this time of year. Normally the water's up into the summer pool. It'll get up maybe June, hopefully, or so. It'll get up to where the tree line is, June, July. That's summer, all right? So, but you can't raise it if you know, you ain't got no rain. So you're gonna need some rain to do what I'm thinking about. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about. We're just I got stuff at the house, but yeah, I was like, I want to go out here. Poncho had me look at a boat over that way, and of course it's really old plugs. I kind of going to get some new plugs, see if that fixes her. And anyway, I'm gonna get started on this and get it done. Poncho's burning it up. Say what, unfortunately, this is our tank. And I'm gonna have to take it loose from over there because that's our pump right there. So we're gonna have a lot of water come out. I'm gonna have to turn the bilge pump on and bilge it out. That's alright. If I'd known it, I should have brought some super clean out here. Cleaned out his bilge area. It is on. I mean, I got both batteries. Let's see. It's running. So let's just loosen it. I'm gonna have to empty all this water anyway. We'll bilge it out. I'm gonna make sure it's bilging first. I gotta we'll let that empty out and get to the rest of it. I guess I could just go ahead and try to get it done. Easy, really. They got black and red. So I can just take it off of this since they already have this made up. And these. That's good. Now, you didn't see any of that. I'm gonna put them on there. I'm gonna get my lighter because I couldn't find my heat shrink gun. Bunch are yelling at me. And, should be good to go. Take off my hat. Poncho's gonna be like, dude, I'm waiting. Just sitting here waiting. Thanks for watching all the way through. You're part of our awesome community. Love this video? Hit subscribe for more adventures. The best way to support us is at hawkeyemarine.net. Shop outboard powerheads, lower units, and top quality boat parts. It fuels our content and keeps you on the water. Visit today. We'll see you next time.